Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to go through a complete full-body workout. Simple exercises you can do right at home to train every muscle group and build a lean, muscular physique. So, let's dive straight in. Warm up first. Before you start any workout, remember, a proper warm-up is essential. It gets your body ready, improves performance, and helps prevent injuries. You can warm up by doing jogging in place or jumping jacks for about 1 to 2 minutes. That's all you need to get your body fired up and ready to go. 1. Legs. Forward lunges. We'll start with the legs. Strong legs help support muscle growth throughout your body. Do forward lunges like this, demonstrate, and aim for 20 to 25 reps. If you want an extra challenge, grab a backpack and fill it with something heavy like books or water bottles, then perform the same movement. This is an excellent exercise to strengthen and tone your lower body. 2. Chest and triceps. Pause, push-ups, and diamond push-ups. Next up are the chest and triceps. We'll begin with pause push-ups. Here's how. Lower yourself slowly, hold for 1 or 2 seconds at the bottom, and then push up explosively. This pause at the bottom helps your chest muscles engage more deeply, giving you better growth. Then, move on to diamond push-ups. Place your hands close together in a diamond shape under your chest and push up. If you're just starting out, aim for 5 to 10 reps. If you've been training for a while, go for 25 reps of each, both the regular and diamond push-ups. 3. Abs. Bicycle crunches. Now, let's hit the abs. We'll do bicycle crunches, one of the best moves for building core strength. This exercise targets your core and oblique muscles while helping to reduce belly fat. Do 20 to 25 reps, and you'll start feeling the burn in no time. 4. Biceps. Bottle or bag. Curls. Everyone wants bigger biceps, right? Here's how you can train them at home. Grab something with a bit of weight, like a bag or a couple of water bottles filled with water, and use them to perform bicep curls. Keep this in mind. When you lift, pause briefly at the top to contract your muscles, and as you lower your arms, move slowly and under control. That slow, controlled motion helps your muscles contract and relax more effectively, speeding up growth. Do 20 to 25 reps for best results. 5. Back. Inverted rows. Next, let's work on the back muscles. Your back is one of the largest muscle groups in the body, and training it properly helps you build that broad, powerful look. If you can't do pull-ups yet, don't worry. Start with inverted rows. Lie under a sturdy table or any solid surface, grab the edge, and pull your chest upward. Do 20 to 25 reps. This will strengthen your back and gradually help you build up to full pull-ups. 6. Abs and legs. Combo sit-up holds. This next exercise targets both your abs and legs. Hook your feet under a couch or something stable and perform sit-ups. It's a balance-based exercise that tones your legs while tightening and strengthening your core. 7. Shoulders, pike push-ups, and lateral raises. Finally, let's sculpt the shoulders. Broad shoulders make your upper body look stronger and more defined. Start with pike push-ups. Raise your hips into an inverted V position and lower your head toward the floor before pushing back up. This move is amazing for building shoulder strength. Then, grab those same bottles you used for biceps and perform. Lateral raises, for the side delts. Front raises, for the front delts. Rear raises, for the back of the shoulders. These simple movements will help your shoulders look fuller and more rounded. Training tips and routine. If you're training at home, aim for higher repetitions, about 20 to 25 reps per set. If you're new to exercise, start with 10 to 12 reps and increase gradually. After every full-body workout, take 1 rest day before your next session. That rest gives your muscles time to recover and rebuild, which is vital for growth. Conclusion. And that's your complete full-body home workout. These exercises will train every major muscle group. No gym equipment needed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more fitness routines like this. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.